In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert columns into Google Docs. So, you're working on a document and you want to make your text more organized by splitting it into columns. Well, you're in the right place because we're going to walk through this process step by step, keeping things simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, open up a new tab in your browser and search for Google Docs. Click on the Google Docs link to enter your document environment. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to log into your account. This will give you access to all your documents and the powerful editing tools available in Google Docs. Once you're in, open the existing document where you want to insert columns. You know, it could be anything from a report you're working on to a draft of a novel. Now, here's a crucial step. Decide on the portion of text that you'd like to put into columns. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text to highlight it. But if you're thinking of applying columns to the entire document, you don't need to select anything. Next up, look at the menu bar sitting on top of your screen. Click on Format, which will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, navigate to Columns. Once you hover over it, you'll see options to select either 2 or 3 columns. Usually, business documents stick to 2 columns to maintain a neat and tidy appearance, but 3 can be great if you're going for a magazine-style layout. For more customization, pay attention to the More Options one. Once you click this, a menu appears, allowing you to tailor the columns to your liking. Here, you can change the number of columns beyond the basic 2 or 3. You can also adjust the spacing between those columns if you prefer a bit more room, and even opt to include a line between the columns, which can be useful for differentiating sections with ease. Once you've tinkered with these settings to your satisfaction, it's time to bring those changes into effect. Simply click Apply and watch as your document smartly rearranges itself according to your new column preferences. With this method, you've mastered inserting columns into Google Docs, and your document will not only be more functional, but also more visually appealing. And there we have it. Just like that, adding columns to a document in Google Docs is a straightforward task that can immensely improve the readability and organization of your document. It's a handy skill to have, especially for tasks like creating a newsletter, a report, or any document that requires a structured presentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was as helpful as you needed it to be. See you next time.